Hello. To continue the story of the microwave, I think it's working. I'm just about to find out. But one funny thing is the case on the one side, which had no screws, really didn't want to go back in the right position. So I took it all apart again to try and see, is there a place it slides in, or is there just nothing? So it's strange. Anyway, so it's just at the bottom, not snug. You know what? I may end up taking a piece of duct tape and discreetly sticking it under there. Because there's not, it just doesn't stay, and there's nothing to keep it there. Anyway, I have just attempted to heat something in the microwave. I'm gonna go get it. Oh, oh. And indeed, here is a panza roti, and it is warm. It might be too hot to eat at the moment. I'm not so sure yet. The other thing I did, I stopped at a place called Canada Computers, and I haven't been in there in a long time. I got this thing because I have some hard drives to go through. Not tons of them, but specifically there's one on. I had a computer, the Lenovo, got it quite a while ago, and it was fine, and then it crapped out, and it was sort of this, well, let's help out this fellow who works there, and da, da, da. Anyway, it didn't come with the RAM it was supposed to, and it worked okay, and it was fine, but then it started making these weird noises inside, and it wouldn't come back up, and I was like, oh, that's not good. So I haven't looked at it in years, but I would like to rescue things off the hard drive. So this thing, supposedly, is a hard drive docking station, compatible with 2.5 and 3.5 inch drives. It is. I have not ventured into the box yet, but I imagine there'll probably be the thing. And, oh yes, the thing and an external power supply, which is, I'm sure, what the hell is that thing? There must be more to this than meets the eye. Aha. Of course. Here, I've never seen this before, is a thing for power. Open, close. That you twist into position. Never seen such a thing. And of course, a USB cable and the thing with its protective plastic wrap. So I'll take off and put in the box, and I will take everything. I'll take the cable out. Now this is not something I intended to get to right away because I've got other things to do. But I have been meaning to have a look at this hard drive for probably as much as 10 years. Probably so. And I still don't know what's wrong with the computer thing. Put that in there. The cardboard can go in there. And assuming this all works, then I suppose I can get rid of this. But I will hold on to it along with the receipt for the moment. So, well, I can delete this later. Anyway, so there it is. It looks quite simple. And I guess hard drives slide in there. It's funny though. Well, I guess I'll see. I seem to remember a lot of hard drives have these pin things. Anyway, I'm hoping it is what I needed. I am hoping. Or if not, maybe there's an adapter. Okay. And just for a moment, let's just see. Magical. So the microwave is back in business. Thanks for coming. I will see again. At some point I might take the microwave apart and see what is up with the side. Or I'll just duct tape it. Thanks again. Bye for now.